This is 59 Melvin Court in Oakland, California. I'm in the Upper Oakmore neighborhood. This home is listed for sale at $1,395,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,541 square feet. It's built in 1972 on a little over a 6,000 square foot lot. This home is listed by David Higgins with Cush Real Estate. Yeah, they did a great job with the remodel on this house. Everything in this place is new and looks amazing. As soon as you walk in, you look towards the back wall there, and all you see is beautiful bay views. Lots of natural light. Really, really striking as soon as you walk in the house. So they did a great job on this remodel. High-end finishes. Hardwood floors are amazing. And what stands out immediately is the quality of the remodel. You can tell right away that this was a high-end remodel. So yeah, let's take a look at this kitchen. Really nice flat panel cabinets. It's all new stainless steel appliances and a really nice large quartz peninsula with the waterfall. Yeah, I love this layout. Great open room concept with lots of light and lots of windows. Got the gas stovetop. All the soft closed doors or drawers. Yeah, really, really nice. All high end. And yeah, just a great layout though. I love that you can be in here cooking and look right out over the living room or the dining room and still see the nice views of the backyard. And it's just a great setup. And it feels like the right size to me. It's not huge, it's just perfect, I think. You know, you've got plenty of room for this nice big dining room table right here. And then a nice sized living room right off of the dining room and the kitchen. Just a great space. I love this layout. Really nice light fixtures. And then we've got these nice double doors that open up to the deck with beautiful views. And up here, it really feels like you're in the mountains. Lots of trees. Beautiful water views right there. And yeah, this area up here in the Oakland Hills, it just always has such a great feel. I never get tired of coming up here and looking at these homes. You know, the views from the Oakland and the Berkeley Hills are, in my opinion, the best in the Bay Area. And then you just get a great feel with all the trees and all the nature. Really feels like you're in the mountains, even though you're really right in the city. Yeah, all the details. I mean, look at this wood that they used up here. All the details in this house are really, really nice. Yeah, the quality of this remodel was really high end. They really did a great job. All the lighting is really nice in here. Yeah, these floors are in great shape. So off this hall, we've got, we'll call this bedroom number 1 down here. Average size bedroom. This bedroom looks out towards the front of the house. Some nice windows and a good sized closet. And then coming down here, we've got the hall bathroom here. And this is a shower over tub. Nice tile work. Newer vanity. Everything in here is nice and clean and new. And then down here, we've got what we'll call bedroom number 2. So this bedroom has really nice views through that window. And a nice big, good sized bathroom, floating vanity, really nice tile on the floors. I like this mirror with the 2 built-in lights. And then we've got a shower stall that was really well designed, really nice. Love the waterfall inlay with the mosaic tile. Yeah, really nice tile work. Yeah, they did a great job in this bathroom and the bathroom downstairs. I'll show you. The bathroom in the primary is amazing. We'll get down there in a minute. But yeah, you can see through this window here the views. So this is a great room. Lots of natural light and amazing bay views from this bedroom. Not bad to wake up and look out that window at those views. That must be nice. So walking back down this way, we'll head down the stairs. Or actually, let's check out this bedroom first. So this would be bedroom number 3 over here. Laundry, stackable laundry in this closet here. And then bedroom number 3 right here. And as I mentioned, the primary is downstairs. So we'll go check that out in a second. But yeah, another nice bedroom, average size, good size closet, 2 nice windows that let in light. This is on the front of the house, this bedroom. It faces the front. Yeah, I love that door. And then up here, they've got a really nice skylight that lets in a lot of light. And then you walk down these stairs, and this whole downstairs area is kind of set up as a giant primary bedroom retreat. So you see they've got it staged with a little game table there, giant wall of built-in cabinets, and an entertainment center for your TV. This space is just amazing. It's so nice. It's huge. It's a great space down here. You could live just down here. I'd be happy just down here. But yeah, giant TV. I really like the black cabinetry. Yeah, massive wall-to-wall built-in cabinetry entertainment center. And then over here we've got a little wet bar. We've got the built-in refrigerator there. We've got the sink. Some really cool tile for the backsplash. Yeah, so you wouldn't have to leave this area if you didn't want to. You could have some drinks down there. And yeah, really cool. And here's the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is great. So we got a nice floating vanity, single sink, the backlit mirror, and then the tile in this shower is really nice. Check this out. Look at the tile work in here. Yeah, they did a great job with the tile work. Huge rain shower head. Yeah, really nice. Really well done. Some built-in shelving here with a light. Yeah, I love this bathroom. And then back over here is the bedroom area. And this is just kind of standard size right here for your bed. 2 closets in here. Some built-in shelving. Yeah, so good size double closet. Yeah, and so this bedroom also has views out towards the bay and lots of natural light. This is the west side of the house. So let me know what you think. I think this home is going to sell pretty quick at this price. It's a lot of square footage for the money, and really, really well done. And yeah, if you're interested in this house or buying or selling anything in the East Bay, definitely reach out. I can help.